Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights I'm your host, David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're really looking at something super important for anyone in Cardiff, NSW, or, really anyone thinking about their property. Asbestos removal services. Oh, yeah, that's a big one, David. So what's the key takeaway right from the start with this article? What are we talking about here? Well, what really jumps out, right, is that Asbestos Removal Newcastle, they offer expert services for both homes and businesses in Cardiff. And it's all about safety, compliance with local regs, they're fully licensed, super certified. It's not just a quick job, it's precise, environmentally responsible disposal. That's huge. And the features, they highlight certified experts, safe disposal, tailored services, and fast and efficient completion. They really get Cardiff too. So it's not just getting rid of it, it's making sure it's done right, with all the rules and everything. Absolutely, absolutely, and efficiently. That's a big deal. Minimizing disruption, getting it done right the first time. They really emphasize that peace of mind. Okay, so if someone suspects they have asbestos, what's the first actual step? What does the article say about getting started? Right, so the first step, it's pretty clear. Just get in touch with them for a thorough inspection. They'll assess any potential materials, then give you a detailed plan on how they'll safely remove them. They really recognize how concerning asbestos can be, and they're there to help you, navigate it. They use the latest techniques and equipment, ensuring a thorough and safe removal, so you can focus on creating that safe environment for your loved ones. And what about safety for families and pets during the actual removal? Is that something they really emphasize? Oh, absolutely. They really stress that. Before any work, they secure the area using barriers and warning signs. Their team is super trained in safety protocols to minimize risks. So, you can totally rest easy while they handle it. It's a big priority for them. So, this is specifically for Cardiff, NSW. Do they, have a special understanding of that area? What's the local angle here, Totally, yeah. The article mentions Cardiff is a vibrant suburb, right? And these guys, Asbestos Removal Newcastle, they're not just general experts, they're recognized by SafeWork NSW. They really understand the local challenges, the building styles, common asbestos materials in the Newcastle area. It's all about unwavering commitment to safety, legality, and compliance with local regulations. Every step is designed with your safety in mind, using extensive experience, high-quality equipment. They make the process as seamless as possible, No need to worry about compliance issues. They've got it covered. That's good to know, that local touch. And you mentioned compliance. So they're really on top of all the rules, for the community and everything? Absolutely. Their commitment to safety, legality, and compliance is unwavering. They really want to give you that peace of mind, They know the risks, and they handle it with the utmost care. Okay, so getting back to the core dangers, what's the article really hammering home about health safety and, why this is so essential for homeowners?
Oh, it's vital. They emphasize that the risks affect not just you, but your loved ones and neighbors. Their solutions are tailored, with thorough inspections identifying potential hotspots. They use specialized equipment to safely contain and remove asbestos, minimizing contamination risk. After removal, there's a detailed cleanup and air quality assessment, ensuring you can return to your space without worrying. And it's not just health, it's also about property value. Ignoring it can totally reduce your home's worth, right?
Wow, so it's a win-win then for your health and your home's worth. What's the final call to action then for listeners?
Yeah, totally a win-win. The article wraps up by saying, breathe easier with safe, reliable asbestos removal. Contact us today to protect your home and loved ones. And if you need property advice, you can book a call with their asbestos removal team.